Okay, so this is a game called Shikaku, and you have this square, and you're supposed to fill up the square with rectangles or squares based on the clues that are given to you here. So, for example, if this says 3, this has to go in a rectangle that has 3 boxes in it. So I could either do a rectangle this way, or I could do a rectangle this way that has 3 in it. So I look for clues to help me, and sometimes you gotta play hit or miss. So for example, this 4, right? So it could go 4 this way, right? Or it could go 4 this way, but those are the 2 options. All right, so let's just try that. So let's see if the 4 will work here. Well, no, because this right here, I can't make a rectangle with this 3 because I can only go this way now. So that's not going to work. So I know that it has to be 4 this way. And then this 3, obviously it has to be these 3. Now this 3 would have to be these 3, which makes it, these 2 have to be these 2. You can't go diagonal, you have to go left or right, or like a square. So this 2 is going to have to be this 2. This 3 is going to have to be this 3. This 2 is going to have to be this 2. This 2 and a 4, so I know the 4 has to be this, and then the last 2 is already done for me. So then I hit done and see if I'm right, and it says yes, I've solved my puzzle.